In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with Section Grid in Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to create a professional website layout or simply experimenting with design, the Section Grid is a powerful feature that provides flexibility and style. Let's dive right in and break down each step to help you make the most out of this tool. To start, you'll need to go to Wix Studio. Once you're there, navigate to a blank page which offers a fresh canvas for your creativity. Here, you'll want to click on the Grid Layout option. This feature is crucial as it allows you to structure your content systematically, providing organization and consistency across your page. Once you have your grid layout set up, it's time to choose a section grid. This is where the magic begins. Section grids provide a structured framework, giving you the ability to align and arrange various elements seamlessly. Depending on your preference, you can select grids that best suit your design vision. Now, let's customize your grid. Look for the arrow down option located beside the columns. Clicking here will reveal various possibilities for your layout. This menu allows you to adjust the number and size of your columns, giving you control over how your content is displayed. Tailor the columns to fit your needs, making sure they align with the thematic style of your website. Next, you get to choose between rows, columns, or collage. Each option presents a unique way to display content. Rows keep it linear and straightforward, while columns allow for vertical separation. Collage, on the other hand, enables a more artistic and less conventional approach. Explore each of these to decide which layout best communicates your message. Moving forward, click on Add Cell. This option lets you insert additional spaces into your grid, expanding your layout capabilities. By adding cells, you can place images, text, or any other elements, further customizing your site's appearance and improving its structure. You're now ready to enhance your grid with shape dividers. Click on this option to introduce visual interest and break up content sections with style. Shape dividers add a modern touch by incorporating curves and angles that separate sections in a visually appealing manner. They're fantastic for maintaining a clean look while guiding visitors' eyes through your content. Finally, finalize your design choices and review how each component interacts on the page. This comprehensive crafting of each section grid not only organizes your content, but also enriches the user experience. Ensure everything aligns perfectly, and don't hesitate to make any final adjustments for a polished look. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to mastering section grid in Wix Studio. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to create a stunning, organized, and visually captivating website design. Thanks for watching and happy designing!